Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. I am here with another delicious, healthy, tasty snack. And look at this beautiful, gorgeous Aloo Tikkis. Aloo Tikkis is a great evening snack along with tea, and no wonder it's a great party appetizer also. So that you can make it in advance and keep it in the fridge and fry it on the spot. So here is my aloo tikki recipe. I'm serving this aloo tikkis with tamarind chutney and hot and sweet sauce. You can have green chutney or make it like a chaat type dish, and you can serve it with nylon save and sweet yogurt and tamarind chutney. You want to see how crispy they are? Wow, can you hear that? Lovely, delicious aloo tikkis made in no time. Let's start with the recipe. I have boiled 8 potatoes last night, and once they were normal temperature, I kept it in the fridge and peeled it off later in the morning, and now I have it like this. So this is the result of using the mashed potato, the potato masher, and now I'm going to grate these potatoes with the grater. Alright, so as you can see, I have grated the leftover potatoes. It's up to you if you want to mash it with your hand or maybe with the potato masher, or you can grate it. Alright, so let's add some ingredients now. I have taken 2 tablespoons of fresh mint just to add the beautiful flavor. I have 3 to 4 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander, 4 green chilies, and 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. If you do not have, you can add a red chili powder instead. And in the dry spices, I have taken 3 tablespoons of rice flour, 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. If you do not have breadcrumbs, you can add a Suji or make a powder of poha. You can substitute that with breadcrumbs. Taken 2 tablespoons of chaat masala, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black salt, and 1 tablespoon of coriander and cumin powder. So let's mix this all well. We gotta use our hands to give that a good binding. So always make sure that potatoes, if you want to make the tikkis tomorrow, you boil the potato the previous night and keep it in the fridge. That way there is not much of a moisture in the potato. So I have added 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs more, about 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Again, this is optional, but depends on how spicy you like. So I'm going to give that a good mix, and let's make the tikkis out of it. Alright, time to form some tikkis. Apply some oil on your palm. And I have taken 2 tablespoons of rice flour, because we are going to roll the tikkis into the flour. So make sure you make a ball size shape, just round, and then make it flat. just like so. And then roll this in the rice flour just to give that extra crispiness. This step is optional, but if you want a nice crispy tikkis along with the breadcrumbs that we added in the mixture, the rice flour coating would make the tikki crispier. So I'm just going to keep it aside and form another one. The size of the tikki is up to you, whichever size you like. I like medium size, just like so. Make a ball and then make it flat with your fingers. Make sure all the sides are not cracked, just like so. Again, dip it in the flour. Not much, just thin layer, so that the moisture will get captured in the rice flour. Alright, second tikki. So let me do all these tikkis. Alright, time to fry the tikkis. There are a couple of ways we can do that. You can deep fry them or you can shallow fry them. I'm shallow frying them this time. So I've added about half a cup of oil, and since everything is ready here, I'm just going to add the tikkis. Make sure you don't flip the tikkis immediately. We have to wait for 2 minutes to crisp up the base, and then we will flip it. Alright, so after 2 to 3 minutes, you will see the edges are turning golden brown. So this is the indication. Now turn the tikki to the other side. Look at this beautiful color. And look at this, such a beautiful golden brown color, both the sides, and our tikkis are ready. You can serve these tikkis with sweet yogurt, tamarind chutney, green chutney, or make a chaat out of it. Various ways you can eat tikki, or if you do not have anything, just enjoy this tikki with ketchup. And look at this beautiful flavorful aloo tikkis are getting ready. These are my tikkis. They are already done. I'm putting it in a paper towel just to absorb that excess oil. And let's come to the plating. And here you go, my plate is ready to be served. I have this hot and sweet sauce and tamarind chutney with some garnishing of coriander. And look at this, so beautiful, flavorful aloo tikkis are here. Enjoy this as an evening snack or any party appetizer. And let me show you how crispy they are. There you go. Nice and crispy. So I hope you like this recipe. Do give it a try at home and feed your family and friends this delicious snack of aloo tikki. If you're making as a party appetizer, just make it in advance. In that case, you just don't make it ready like this golden brown. You can just slightly golden brown and then keep it in the oven, or if you have air fryer or OTG, then you can just add it in the OTG or air fryer at this last minute when the party starts, and then you will have nice and hot crispy aloo tikkis ready. So that's a tip here. So I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and share your comments in the comments column, and do not forget to subscribe. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. I like that support from you, and that encourages me to do more recipes. So thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.